Well, good morning. Here's another product from Unusual Machines. What we've got here is Sidewinder Missiles. Aluminum body, powder coated to any color combination you want. Total length of each missile is about 3 feet, and the nose cone adds another foot on top of it. These come with the roof rack or flat surface mounting brackets. These are rubberized straps that hold them in place. The rear guidance system is fixed fins. However, the front fins are rotatable. We can show you that right here. Move one, the other one moves. Both symmetrical. We can powder coat these up to be any color you want. We can make any quantity you want. Of course, naturally, there is no chemistry inside of these. They are hollow tubes. I don't make things that make loud noises or become very energetic. Now, interestingly enough, these are Sidewinder missiles. Because they do not look like a gun or a firearm, they're not required to have the orange tip on the nose like every other firearm we make at Unusual Machines. So we can make these for you in any quantity, any color, any size or configuration. This is Unusual Machines. Have a good day.